If you're still driving to the shop just to find out what that check engine light means, stop. In this video, I'm putting the 3 best bi-directional OBD2 scanners of 2026 side by side, so you know exactly which one deserves your money. Whether you're a weekend DIYer or you're running your own garage, one of these 3 is your next scan tool. Links to all 3 are in the description and pinned comment. Let's get into it. First up, the THINKSCAN 689BT Pro, and this one is built specifically for anyone dealing with tire pressure headaches. It's a full bidirectional scan tool, so it doesn't just read codes, it actually talks back to your car's modules: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, all of it. What makes this combo stand out is the included Venue iPro TPMS tool plus 4 universal sensors. That means you can activate, read, and program tire pressure sensors without buying a separate tool, a huge time saver if your TPMS light keeps coming back on. You also get ECU coding, over 30 maintenance resets, and support for CAN-FD and DOIP protocols, which newer vehicles need. And here's the part people love: lifetime free software updates, no subscription track.
Best for owners who fight recurring TPMS warning lights and want an all-in-one Diagnostic Plus sensor programming kit. Next is the FOXWELL NT919BT, and honestly, this is where things get serious. You're looking at an 8-inch touchscreen, over 3,000 bidirectional active tests, and coverage for more than 140 vehicle brands. The standout feature here is one-tap VIN capture. The tool automatically pulls your exact vehicle configuration, so you're not scrolling through endless year and model menus hoping you pick the right one. For anyone who's ever guessed wrong on a manual vehicle selection, you know how big of a deal that is. It also runs full ECU coding, 34 plus maintenance services, and live data streaming in graph form, so you can actually watch your oxygen sensors or fuel trims react in real time, instead of just staring at numbers. Best for serious DIYers and independent mechanics who want dealer-level diagnostics without the dealer price tag. And the third one might be the most futuristic of the bunch, the MUCAR 892BT Pro. This is the newest flagship in the lineup, and the headline feature is topology mapping. Instead of just handing you a list of fault codes, it shows you a full visual map of every module in your car, color-coded by status, so you can literally see which system is throwing the problem. On top of that, it has a built-in AI assistant that analyzes the fault codes for you and gives repair suggestions, like having a mechanic explain the report instead of leaving you to Google it. It also supports J2534 pass-through, meaning it can work with OEM diagnostic software for
dealer-level reprogramming. You're still getting the essentials too: 3,000 plus active tests, 40 plus reset services, ECU coding, and lifetime free updates. Best for anyone who wants the most advanced, easiest to read diagnostics on the market, especially if you're not a trained technician. So, quick recap. If TPMS problems are your main headache, go with the THINKSCAN 689BT. If you want the widest vehicle coverage and fastest workflow for daily use, the FOXWELL NT919BT is your pick. And if you want the most advanced tool with visual diagnostics and AI support, get the MUCAR 892BT Pro. All 3 are bidirectional, all 3 support ECU coding, and all 3 come with lifetime free updates. So honestly, you can't go wrong. It just depends on what you're diagnosing most. I've linked all 3 scanners below, in the video description and on my Amazon storefront, so you can compare prices and specs side by side before you buy. If this helped you pick the right tool, drop a like, subscribe for more real product breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one.